So at our camp hosting gig here just south of Truckee at Marty's Creek Campground, when we go out, we've got this little, not a go-kart, it's called a gym. Look at this, Omanopa. We've got 2 doors. We've got one on each side. And I don't have to crank ours or anything. You know why?
Because it's powered by electricity.
You know, it's got all of our tools and everything that we need to clean sites. And when we go out to do our deep clean bathroom cleaning once a week, which is what we're getting ready to do this morning, there's all of our stuff. And we're going to take you around, show you what we do this morning as far as deep cleaning the potties. But we're not going to show you the deep cleaning the potties, if you know what I mean.
You must go number 2 in a hurry.
Oh, by the way, did we mention this thing is street legal? It's got a license plate, it's got turn signals, it's got lights, it's got a horn.
Beep, beep.
And it does what? About 25, 30 miles an hour?
Not supposed to. Especially where we can take it. The fastest we can go is 15 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
1.5. Not 5.5.
Let's crank this puppy up.
I'm gonna power down these windows.
Yeah, we got power windows too. Look at this.
Got lots of bumps to go over. And it's really quiet, except for the beeping. But that's for backing up. And it also has little idiot beeps like, hey idiot, you left your blinker on. Hey idiot, turn the key. Hey idiot, set the brake.
It's constantly beeping at
See,
me.
that is not 15 miles per hour.
I should have pulled out in front of him. Slowed his butthole down.
So this is the main road in. Well, no, it's not the main road.
To
It's
the campground.
the side road that comes into the campground.
Hello. Goodbye.
We need to stop at the utility room and pick up some more clean rags. Do some microfiber rags. This is the Ranger's yard. Rangers and maintenance. And there we are. Yes, you need the keys.
Oh. Guess I need the keys.
Let me remove my seatbelt. He'll probably have troubles finding the rags. So this has all of our extra supplies and all the Ranger stuff.
Oh boy. There's one. There's 2. We'll take these.
Okay.
I'll leave the bag.
Let's just grab some more of these. We can use some of these if we need to. Put that in there. Okay. So
Nothing else?
I don't think so. Let's grab an extra can of bubbles.
Yeah. Scrubbing bubbles.
And I just got more toilet paper. This is not a paid endorsement for Johnson's Scrubbing Bubbles. Just happens to be what they want us to use. So this is the little access road to get up to the bathrooms for us to drive. And it's just a little gate. The pump truck also comes up this road to go empty the vault toilets. And then I close the gate behind him.
Ready, Freddy?
Ready.
We'll see how fast I can drag this. Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't have my seatbelt on.
Hold on, here we go!
It's gonna get us fired. Run, Chipmunk, oh no! We'll have to show you the amphitheater. Oh, we did when we walked through, that's right. Because Tom and Lori were gonna do their little comedy act.
Yeah, that's right.
They canceled.
They got canceled.
Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Okay, so first thing we do is we put up the cones. Ugh. Oh, somebody left the bathroom open. We need to take the rocks. People just cannot follow the rules. You're supposed to leave the doors closed so that the bathrooms vent correctly. See? But people leave them open. We have these rocks in here so that we can hold the door open and have some light in here when we clean. So we also put a rake across it so that people know that it's closed.
First thing Tom does is take the hose and hooks it up in the men's bathroom under the sink. And then I stretch it out to the ladies' bathroom and start over there. Right?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
So we do this. So hopefully people get the hint that it's closed. I need to get my gloves. It's actually what we do first is we remove all the toilet paper because we will be hosing down the room. So Tom gets that. Usually what happens is I get all the toilet paper and Tom sprays the scrubbing bubbles all over everything. So go into the stalls. See, somebody left this up. Please close lid. And I have these little difficult things. You need two hands to get them off. So Tom goes in and he sprays scrubbing bubbles all over everything. Does a nice good coating of that. I'm going to wet the sink and spray it with some cleanser and a scrub brush. And then when he hoses it out, he'll rinse everything all out. And then we'll show you what we do after that. Well, while he's spraying the men's room, I sweep out the women's and then just follow along after that. So, oh, we should have stopped at the garbage. Oh well. With the first bathrooms, Tom's taking off and I still have the door open, and I did that on purpose because I wanted him to stop so I could do this.
Here we go.
Still going. So he finished the first one. Safety first. We have safety goggles on since we spray with chemicals to clean the bathrooms. So we're headed to the next one. Showed you pretty much everything up until sweeping. So in the next one, we're going to show you after sweeping on. Oh no.
Get to play doctor.
With the toilets, yeah. Woohoo! All right. On to the next one.
Here we go. 2 pit/vault toilets in the campground.
There's actually 5 toilets in each building. 2 for the boys and 3 for the girls, and 1 urinal. So this time it's going to take us a little longer because we're going to go step by step and we're going to hand off the camera each time. So he already put his gloves on. I need to do mine.
Got my gloves on. I'm going to hook the hose up and then I'm going to string it around to the women.
But don't put it up at the door though, because it's always in my way when I'm sweeping.
I always want to remember to do that and turn it off before I turn it on inside.
Otherwise?
It squirted somebody one day.
Who, you or me?
No, one of the campers.
Oh, we need our orange cones.
Yep. That's really the first thing.
So did you come and open this door like this?
Nope.
Once again, rock.
Please keep door closed.
And it vents better with the door closed.
Nobody reads that. Need a rake.
There you go.
Whoa. Wasn't ready for that. Almost caught it though. So on our instruction sheet, it says to put closed signs up. Well, we couldn't find any closed signs. So we just put an orange cone and then we put a rake across it. So now sweeping here. There aren't any lights until it gets dark. So sorry if the lighting is not the best in here. They are like light sensor. They should be motion sensor because it can be really dark in here. So I'm sweeping. We sweep the walls to get any cobwebs, the corners, around the toilet.
And then when I come in with the hose, I squirt the walls down even more. Just wet them down, make sure that all the cobwebs and everything's gone.
That's me doing this, cleaning off the screens. So you can look in here and it doesn't look like there's very much on the floor, but then there's little bits of dirt and teeny tiny pieces of toilet paper, bugs.
It may seem like we're doing a lot of hard work, but we're not really.
No, it doesn't take us that long. Maybe an hour to do them both.
Yeah, not bad at all.
It takes us less time when we're really going at it, but we're videoing today, so it's taking us a little bit more time to show you everything, taking turns. Normally we just follow each other and do each next task.
There's a cobweb right above your head. Can you see it?
This?
Just barely. Yep, you got, oh, maybe not.
It might have been.
Okay. Okay, is it time for me to play with the hose?
Nope, not yet. I know, you like that part, but hang on. Since it's mostly just dirt and stuff, we just sweep it to the outside. If there's any toilet paper or whatever, we just pick it up. There rarely is. Alright, so now I do the sink.
After I put scrubbing bubbles on it.
Yeah, it just needs some abrasiveness sometimes. Men's sinks are always the yuckiest.
Hey now.
It's true.
Well, I have to agree with the toilets. It's the same thing.
Men are yucky.
What?
Men are yucky. Boys are gross. Oh, there's a froggy in this one too. Come here, baby. Hi. There's a froggy that lives in the women's side. I didn't know there was one over here. Hi, honey.
Here he is.
Come here.
Oops.
There you go. You're gonna get hosed. Come here. Come here. Come here, bud.
We're going gigging in the men's bathroom.
Jeez. Okay, forget it.
Where'd he go?
He's just right there on the floor.
He's gonna get.
He'll get squirted.
He's gonna get squirted. He's in the corner.
Oh my God. A comedy of errors. The Tom and Lori comedy hour, like we said. So he has fun spraying in here. Now we have a little froggy that lives in this sink too. Did you turn it off? Oh, there's a kink right there. Don't spray that towards me.
It's not on. Hold that.
Uh-oh.
Unless there's no water pressure.
There we go. Did it get turned off?
Some idiot forgot to turn it on.
Oh, jeez.
And you got to remember, we sprayed it down with scrubbing bubbles, and if it needed to be scrubbed, we scrubbed it. Otherwise, scrubbing bubbles does the whole thing, and all I do is come in here and go, yeah, do the wall.
I'll never get to do this job. He has too much fun with it.
I get to play.
I'm getting out of the way because he's going to bring that out here. And then what I'll do is I will squeegee. So I already squeegeed the women's bathroom, and now Tom is going to do the men's. So we just squeegee out all the extra water. We squeegee out the bathroom.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're gonna get me all wet. Where did Mr. Froggy go?
He's in the corner still over there.
Oh, I see him. Right there. Cute little guy. Now while he's squeegeeing that, I use this and bleach all the toilets and the sinks and the doors, anywhere anybody would touch. If you've ever used one of these bug sprayers, you pump it up to get pressure in it, and then you press the lever and it sprays. So bleach all around here, the insides of here, all the seat. All around the outside of this. I spray the toilet holders because you might be touching that. And then I close the door and keep the camera back because I'll spray it.
Okay.
I spray the door, the little latch, the outside of the door, anywhere that you might touch. And then just do that for all the stalls. Okay, so I've already cleaned the mirror and the sink and wiped it all down nice. Our little froggy friend is down here. He had climbed all the way up this wall. And so, filling up the toilet paper, this is the last one. Tom already did the women's, and I already did the other stall in the men's. So this is a brand new roll, and this is what's left of another roll, pretty decent size. And we check them every day, so.
We only clean once a week.
Yeah.
But we check the toilet paper rolls each morning and each afternoon.
Yep. And then the last thing to do is throw the trash.
Yep, take the trash, empty the trash, put new bags in if they need it, and take our homemade barricades down, and we're good to go.
So, that's it.
Everybody